LANCOM is doing software-defined networking since a while. That means that we can automatically deploy devices, routers, switches and access points without any on-site work. Now I want to share something new with you. We have soon a new router model in our portfolio. It's coming with 5G. Software-defined in LANCOM language means that you can set up easily deployed networks with routers. Today we have already a lot of routers in place with ADSL, VDSL, 4G, 3G, and you can deploy them automatically. You don't need to go on-site, just plug a cable and they establish auto VPN connections back to the headquarters. And soon we will have the 5G router as a new member of this automated family. The 5G router will help you to set up infrastructures where you probably have remote sites, where you need backup scenarios in high speed and reliable, or if you have dynamic sites, construction site for example, which are today here, tomorrow at another place. The 5G router will be the perfect additional fit to your SD-WAN solution.